The Dalai Lama famously said, "Happiness in simplicity can be achieved with a flexible mindset and 9 hours sleep each night." But for many of us, that is easier said than done. If 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep sounds like a dream come true, stick around, because I'm revealing 3 weird things that could be keeping you up at night. Hello, and thank you for joining me today. I'm Rob Van Bergen from Pain Free for Life, and today I'm talking about 3 unexpected reasons that you can't sleep. First, let's start by talking about the connection between poor sleep and pain. Did you know that losing sleep actually reduces your body's ability to process pain, effectively lowering your pain threshold? A 2015 study found that people with sleep disorders like insomnia had increased pain sensitivity. So, if you can't sleep because you're in pain, and the pain keeps getting worse because you're not sleeping, then guess what happens? A vicious cycle that becomes increasingly difficult to climb out of. On the other hand, getting proper rest each night is associated with better mental health, less stress, a healthier immune system, and a better quality of life overall. And, as I've previously mentioned over on the Pain Free for Life blog, deep sleep, which occurs right before REM sleep, plays a particularly important role in reducing inflammation and chronic pain. Now, I'm going to talk about the most common causes of sleep disruption. So maybe you've heard of these everyday sleep disruptors before, but it's never a bad idea to be reminded of the things that can cause the tossing and turning that we all want to avoid. So, here's 7 commonly known causes of poor sleep. Blue light from technology. Too much ambient light in your bedroom. A too warm bedroom. Caffeine consumption before bed. Noise pollution. Sleeping with pets or children, and finally, prescription medications like antidepressants. If you already tried to address these common causes of sleep deprivation with no success, it's time to learn about unexpected and little-known sleep disruptors. The first, number 1, unexpected sleep disruptor may surprise you. It's something that many of us consider to be a safe and natural sleep aid, and this is melatonin supplements. Melatonin supplements are popular with people who want to avoid pharmaceutical sleeping pills, so much so that melatonin-based sleep aids are projected to generate around $1.5 billion worldwide in 2021. Melatonin is generally accepted as a safe, short-term solution to achieving better sleep by doctors, but still, long-term use of this can disrupt your body's natural sleep cycle. Here's a surprising fact about melatonin supplements. They were once thought to actually ease the symptoms of autoimmune conditions, but a recent study found that the rheumatoid arthritis symptoms actually worsened in people who took melatonin. Other side effects of long-term melatonin use include weight gain, nightmares and bad dreams, hypertension, which is high blood pressure, daytime drowsiness, irritability, and constipation. I recommend only taking melatonin for a few days when adjusting to a new sleep schedule or for jet lag, and even then, only if you absolutely need to. The number 2 reason that you may not be sleeping has to do with eating. Everyone loves the concept of a midnight snack, but studies have shown that eating the wrong thing right before bedtime can harm sleep quality. So if you eat a heavy, greasy, or spicy meal right before you go to sleep, you could be faced with uncomfortable heartburn, indigestion, and acid reflux all throughout the night. Also, remember, while it's important to stay hydrated, drinking too many fluids in the evening could have you getting up multiple times a night to use the bathroom. So avoid these foods before bed if you have trouble sleeping. Chocolate. Delicious, but not the best. Spicy foods, fatty foods, sugary desserts. In fact, it's best not to eat a midnight snack at all, but if your hunger is keeping you up, you'll find a list of foods that won't disrupt your sleep over on our blog. I'll put a link below if you want to check it out. And the number 3 and last unexpected reason that you may not be sleeping are electromagnetic fields, or EMFs. Would you ever imagine that an invisible threat like EMFs could affect the quality of sleep that you achieve and even whether or not you heal from chronic pain? EMFs are typical in almost every home and workplace, and the source of that? Smartphones. electrical wiring, computers, power lines, smart meters, televisions, microwave ovens, and tons of other common appliances. Wondering how EMFs disrupt your sleep? Well, a 2012 study found that EMFs can block your body's natural production of melatonin. This happens because the pineal gland, which produces melatonin and other essential hormones, reads EMF radiation's electrical nature as a light source. As one of the 5 pillars of the Hache protocol for pain resolution, you simply cannot ignore sleep's critical role in healing if you have chronic pain, inflammation, or an autoimmune condition. I hope that by bringing some of these familiar and lesser-known sleep disruptors to your attention, you'll be able to get the sleep you need to start feeling better and brighter each morning. Now, I've provided some simple solutions to the 3 unexpected sleep disruptors I shared in this week's blog. Click the link below to learn how to counteract them. And please share any natural tips you may have in the comments section. I'd love to hear what's working for you. Thank you again for joining me. And if you're looking for a steady stream of health-boosting tips to take back your life from pain, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to make sure that you don't miss a single one. Have a pain-free day.